individualistic culture such as US, so he or she will solely tackle the problem.
Okay. What activities do you think would make children feel challenged?
That's a thought-provoking question. It depends how an individual will behave in a daily way. For example, if an individual is very active and he do ample of activities such as workout, cricket, football in his or her daily life, he will solve the problem effectively whenever he face novel situation. On the other hand, if someone has sedentary lifestyle, so he feels difficulty to solve a problem, he adopt maladaptive coping mechanism.
What challenges would people face when learning new sports?
Well, that's a thought-provoking question. As far as I concerned, it heavily depends when he or she want to learn. For example, if he or she was in was in his or her adolescent life, so he or she will learn new activities effectively as compared to someone who was in middle adulthood, so he find difficulty.
Good. My last question is, why do some people enjoy doing extreme sports?
Well, that's a tricky question to answer. Let me think. I think it depends on the passion. You know, every individual has different thinking problem and environment. Our environment and thinking problem shapes our passion. So if someone is live in the fast-paced environment, so he or she will set higher
Hmm.
priorities,
Hmm.
either in sport or in professional settings,
Mm-hmm.
and vice versa. Let's suppose an individual is growing in Islamabad, and you know, Islamabad is a very fast paced environment in Pakistan. The children will definitely set higher, higher goals for his or her life. So, depend on the environment and an individual cognitive patterns priorities will set.
Good. Thank you so much. That is the end of your speaking practice test. Wish you good luck.